Take it off.
He's a drama.
Please.
Stand up. Mohammed, come on.
See?
What's wrong? Mohammed, stand up for me. Come on. Stand up. Stand up. Mohammed! Stand up, Mohammed, come on. Stand up.
He's not drunk.
Calm yourself down, you're making yourself hot. Come on, Mohammed. Mohammed, stand up. Stand up. Mohammed, stand up.
We'll stop moving out. Bring that chair out. We're not going to sit on there. We'll just take it out. Do you want to just start taking the chair out if you don't mind, please?
We're going to need it to shift him.
Yeah.
Get your cuffs down. Get your cuffs down.
Oh, is he okay? Is she okay?
यार मैं तुझे पहलू आके क्यों किया ना
Bro, what's he? Why you doing?
माफी कैसे
Use that someone with some there. Come on, mate. Let go of that. Let go of that.
please
Let go of that.
please please
Come on.
please
Let go of that. Let go of the chair. Let go of the chair. Come on, watch his bad leg, mate. Watch his bad leg. Watch his bad leg. Work with us. Work with us. Come on, come on. Let go of the chair. Let go of the chair. Let go of the chair. Work with us. Come on. The paramedics here to see you.
why are you the paramedics are coming why are you doing this police
That's it, mate. Go on.
police
Let go of this. Let go of this.
police
Oh, those not stay protection.
Let go of that.
police officer police please
Come on, mate. Just let go. We're going to look after you.
Okay,
Just get a cuff on, mate. Hold on. I'm getting this. That's it. Right. That's it. Okay.
please
He's not stating that I don't have his boarding card. I think it was 29 something.
Cuff. Cuff. Let go. Get a cuff on there. Get a cuff on that hand. Let
Get
go. Get a cuff on it. Mohammed, let go of this. Get a cuff on it. Get a cuff on it.
Trying to take him out.
That's it.
police
Just relax, Mohammed.
relax police
Just get a cuff on it while it's there. No, get a cuff.
Okay, if he has, then start taking it off. What name have you got? Mohammed Shafiq?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the guy then. That's the guy.
police
Yeah.
There you go.
police
Okay.
Bro, stand up, bro. What's wrong with you? Yeah, stand up then. Yeah, bro, stand up. What's wrong with you?
What's up, mate? Just get up. Mohammed, just get up.
Bro,
police
Listen. Calm down. Calm down.
please
Take some deep breaths. Use that thermometer, mate. Calm down.
please allow can I get some space?